Welcome to SEO Tutorials for Beginners. Today we're going to add a sitemap from Yoast SEO, and then we're going to add it to our Google Search Console account. So once you have the plugin installed and you click on the settings button over here, if we scroll all the way down, we're going to see this box right here that says XML sitemaps. And you will see a box below that that says enabled feature. So by default, this should always be checked. If it's not checked, go ahead and check that box. And then once you click on the button right here, you will see your XML sitemap. From there, we would take this piece of code right here, and then we'd come over to our Google Search Console, click on Sitemaps, and then we would enter your sitemap right here and then hit submit. So for this example, or my testing purposes, you will see I already have a sitemap installed, and this is what it looks like from Yoast. So when I go back over here and we look at the sitemap, you will see I only have post and pages enabled on the sitemap. If you want your categories or tags or maybe landing pages or whatever you see in the content types over here, or the categories and tags section here, if you click on those, you will see this option right up here that says show landing pages and search results. If you click that button and hit save, then that should appear up in your sitemap. If it doesn't right away, just wait a little bit and you should see another line right here that would say landing pages or tags or categories. And then that will automatically be updated in your Google Search Console as long as you have installed your sitemap there. Now, if you want to make any other changes or remove anything, you just come back to the settings tab, scroll down to the contents type or categories or tags, and then remove or add, hit save, and then you're done.